Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. Fred Rispoli analyzes the silence before the storm. Coinpedia FinTech News was the organization that initially published the article titled Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. Fred Rispoli, well-known legal expert and a committed lover of XRP, gives insight on the United States Securities and Exchange Commission versus Ripple lawsuit and expresses amazement at the current hush in the legal arena. Rispoli provides insights into probable eventualities, implying that there may be a strategic calm before a possible storm. The completion of damages-related finding is scheduled to take place on February 12. That is currently scheduled in the moment before the storm. What should you anticipate? Rispoli raises eyebrows over the lack of SEC discovery motions that have been filed as the legal battle between Ripple and the SEC continues to develop. This is especially true when taking into consideration the historically aggressive nature of this litigation. As the deadline February 12 draws near, he offers his thoughts on two alternatives that could occur. It is possible, according to Rispoli's speculation, that the absence of moves from the SEC is indicative of an unstated agreement between Ripple and the CC. This could pave the way for a settlement after the evaluation of the desired discovery, which could perhaps bring an end to the drawn-out legal drama that has been going on for far too long. Legal drama that lasts for a long time. If, on the other hand, the Securities and Exchange Commission decides to take a different approach, the legal experts envision drawn-out court drama. Rispoli is preparing for a situation in which the Securities and Exchange Commission obtains the finding it is looking for, which can result in a complete damages briefing that is slated to end on April 29. The Securities and Exchange Commission says experiencing a growing number of legal setbacks, which may result in a ruling that is issued at the beginning of summer. Rispoli expresses the expectation that the Securities and Exchange Commission, will understand the obstacles it confronts against Ripple. However, he calls attention to the potential drawback of the quiet time, which is that the SEC may proceed quickly through the case, which might potentially lead to an escalation to the Second Circuit. A resolution that is desired, Rispoli's analysis, is dependent on the expectations that either a peaceful resolution will be reached or that a protracted court battle will be fought. Both of these scenarios hold their own unique set of ramifications for Ripple and the SEC. The cryptocurrency community is waiting with bated breath for the next phase in the ongoing battle between the SEC and Ripple, which is scheduled to take place on February 12th. At the moment, the price of XRP is 5 cents, representing a 1.6 gain from its previous price. There has been a significant drop in trading volume of 18.5 over the course of the past 24 hours. During the past week, the price of XRP increased by 3.4, going from 6,313 cents to 6,313 cents. As a result of this, there are analysts who believe that the coin could reach $1.10 in the year 2020. Others, on the other hand, are more pessimistic, speculating that the price of XRP would be capped below 9,067 cents in the year 2024. ARBLS is the bet of the day. For the year 2024, the experts are placing their bets on Rebel Satoshi and the RBL's coin. A serious objective of bringing about financial change is combined with the humorous nature of meme coins by Rebel Satoshi. The works of Guy Fawkes and Satoshi Nakamoto serve as sources of inspiration for it. You might be interested in. XRP remains unchanged. Solana and Rebel Satoshi are primed for gains. The initial price of the presale was 1 cent, and it was completely sold out within a few weeks. At the moment, RBLS may be purchased for 25 cents while participating in Citizens Round 3. Up to this point, more than $1, 3 cents million has been collected, which has contributed to an overall market cap of $30.9 billion. Following Ripple's adoption by the Central Bank of Ireland, XRP continued to rise. Additionally, a forthcoming meme coin is receiving a lot of interest. This article features a discussion among industry professionals regarding the meme coin and their perspectives on the most recent events in XRP. As a result of the partnership between Ripple and Ireland's central bank, XRP continues to climb. Ripple is extending its operations by registering its Irish subsidiary, Ripple Markets Ireland Limited, as a virtual asset service provider based in Ireland. This move is designed to facilitate the company's expansion. As a result of this change, Ripple Markets will be able to provide particular digital asset services available throughout Scotland. You might also be interested in Ripple is expanding its operations to the European Union, which will result in increased revenue outside of the United States. The initial price of RBLS will be 25 cents. Investors, on the other hand, anticipate even greater expansion after it is launched on the most prominent decentralized exchanges. Currently, the price of Dogecoin is 10 cents, and analysts anticipate that Polkadot and Rebel Satoshi will continue to rise. This content has been contributed by a third party, as stated in the disclosure. There is not a single product that is mentioned on this page that Crypto News recommends. In order to take any actions that are associated with the company, users are required to conduct their own investigation. Both Solana USL and Ripple SROSO and Ripple, which are two of the most heavily traded cryptocurrencies in terms of market capitalization, have begun the new year with a significant price fall from their highs in December 2023. In addition, these large cap coins are falling behind projects such as Push, which is expected to experience a meteoric rise in prices, one of the most promising pre-sale investment prospects for the new year. Here are some of the reasons why cryptocurrency specialists believe that Push is a better choice than Solana. Ripple are making significant gains in 2024. One of the most important adjustments made to Solana as of the time of this publication, the price of Solana Sway was trading at approximately $93.78. This is a decrease of 1.33 over the course of the previous 24 hours. After being among the most consistent gainers throughout the fourth quarter of 2023, the overall market value of Solana SOL dropped to $39 billion and prices have been heading downward throughout the period. The Solana SOL Relative Strength Index has been scoring somewhere around 35 points, which is a decrease of over 38 points since it registered an RSI of 73 on January 2nd of this year, according to the data provided by Sentiment. During the beginning of the year, when Solana SOL was trading at the $110 mark, this suggests that there was a tremendous selling frenzy. On the other hand, this might put Solana in a position to embark on a rally if its relative strength index remains below the 50 area in January. Significant whale transactions have been recorded by Ripple over the past 24 hours. At the beginning of the first week of 2024, Ripple XRP recorded whale transactions moving on-chain. Despite the fact that the price had dropped by 99, Ripple XRP prices are currently trading at 56 cents as of the time of this publication, which represents a gain of 0 over the past 24 hours and a decline of 13.26 over the past 30 days. After on-chain data revealed that a total of 130 million XR tokens have been moving throughout the Ripple ecosystem over the past 24 hours, observers are keeping a close check on the intriguing market dynamics of Ripple. Within this total, 26.7 million XR tokens have been transferred to a centralized exchange, while the remaining XRP tokens have been transferred to unknown wallets. Is this an indication of whale stockpiling following the precipitous drop in price, or does it indicate an impending dump? Time is the only thing that can tell. Started the pre-sale for Push e-commerce revolution on the Web3 just 1 week after the announcement of its introduction. Push has already attracted more than 9,000 participants in its pre-sale, which has caused it to make an impact in the cryptocurrency industry.